Next on the channel, the 5:30 cooking challenge. Welcome back, friends. Today's video is a challenge created by Ingrid of the Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles for a 5:30 meal consisting of no more than 5 ingredients. And so today I'm sharing our favorite plant-based spaghetti recipe. This 10-minute recipe includes a cup of plant-based crumbles, 3 cups of tomato sauce. We also use our own homemade pre-ground Italian blend, as well as plant-based shreds, mozzarella flavored, and of course spaghetti. And to put everything together, we're just going to go over induction, add all of our ingredients to simmer, excluding the pasta, let that cook for about 5.5 minutes, and then we're going to add in our shreds and finally our pasta. Friends, this is one of the super easiest meals you can make, and you can also include frozen pasta, which we do bulk on occasion to have even less time. And you can see right here, in under 10 minutes, you have one of the most delicious spaghetti dinners that the whole family will love. Again, guys, this is 5 ingredients, super simple, only 10 minutes to make, and your family will absolutely love it. Again, I want to remind you, this is a collab from Ingrid at Mommy and Mia Homeschool Chronicles, so definitely check out the playlist below as well as Ingrid's channel and give her some love. And with that said, guys, I recommend you try this. It's absolutely delicious. And as always, please hit that little red subscribe button, turn on notifications, give this video a thumbs up, and as always, please be kind to yourself and to others. Have a great day.